Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Carrington Mortgage account. So, go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser, and in the Google search bar, go ahead and search Carrington Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears in your screen. It will lead you directly to the Carrington Mortgage login portal. Go ahead and write down your username, password, and click on the sign in option, and then you can go ahead and log into your account. If in case you forgot your username or password, you can go through these links and you can write down these options, like if you don't have a loan, click on this, and after that you can only write your email and then continue. A verification code will be sent to your mail, and then you can verify the password quite easily and you can reset it. So if you don't have a loan, you can simply go to option 1 and choose the loan number or the full SSN or ITN number, and you can recover your email or your password. And the option 2 is loan number. Click on loan number, write down your loan number, press continue, and a verification code will be sent to your mail which is registered with Carrington Mortgage Services. After that, you can reset your password quite easily once again. So, this was a video on how you can log in to your Carrington Mortgage Services account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.